How to post a status update on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, start by opening your WhatsApp on your phone. Here, tap on My Status or the camera icon on the top of your screen. Once the camera icon has been opened, you can take a new photo or videos or select one from your gallery. To make it more fun and effective, you can add fun touches like text emojis or drawing if you want. Once you are done, tap the Send button to share your status with your contact. Tap My Status and share. Want to check who viewed your status? Then you can simply tap on your status, then swipe up, and you will see the list of viewers. And that's how easy it is to post a WhatsApp status update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching!